All right, in this video, we're going to see how the review feed works. So how your clients can basically import all the reviews from the connected platforms into your review management platform and how they can manage replies. All right, so as I said in the other video, when they connect Google, the reviews are imported instantly. So after really a couple of seconds. For the other platforms like Yelp, TripAdvisor, etc., it can take up to 2-3 minutes to import the reviews. And so basically, after the integration, they refresh the page after a couple of minutes, and they will see the Yelp reviews, TripAdvisor reviews, etc., imported here. So basically, in the reviews feed, they can see the reviews imported, and they can perform some actions. So firstly, they have a very easy to use filter here to switch from all reviews and reviews without a reply, because it's very important to reply to every review, especially Google reviews, because Google not only rank better businesses with a high review reply rate, but also for SEO, it's very important to reply to reviews, because when you search something on Google, Google goes to search that keyword not only in the Google Business Profile name or description, but also in the Google reviews and in the replies to reviews. So it's very important to reply to Google reviews and to also use the most searched keyword also in the Google replies. All right. So we have a big difference from Google reviews and all other reviews, because we can reply to Google reviews directly from the platform. As you can see, for example, here we have a Google review, and there is the box to reply to the Google review. In this case, we have a review from Matteo, so we can say thank you, Matteo, or also click here and generate a very professional reply with the AI. And by clicking here, the reply will go directly to Google. So we're going to reply via API. So we do not need to go to Google and reply to these reviews, but this reply is going to go directly to the Google Business Profile. All right, and then we can also edit the reply or delete the reply. For the other platforms, like for example Yelp, TripAdvisor, etc., we cannot have the possibility to reply directly from the platform because these platforms unfortunately do not offer APIs to reply to reviews. If they will offer this API in the future, of course, we will integrate them. But for now, we have a reply button that goes directly to the link of the review. All right. So your clients can just click on the reply button, and if they are already logged with with their Yelp account, they will be redirected to the specific reviews, and they can reply directly from here without the need to search for the review, but they will be redirected directly to the review link. All right. And so this is how your clients can import reviews and reply to reviews directly from the platform. In the other videos, we will see how to share reviews and how to send quick requests.